It's good, YouTube. P-Man back at it. We back outside. Ooh, perfect timing. Perfect. I can't even. Yeah. See what the fuck. See what the fuck. Yeah.
Sorry, homie.
Shit.
Where my exhaust at, yo?
Congrats,
Put it in the trunk, thank you.
I'm about to bring that shit right now. Y'all ready for me? Y'all already know what the fuck going on today, so I'm about to go grab pieces right now. God damn. Do you got space? This nigga.
Niggas be doing donuts in this
Yeah. Ooh, what? Nigga said what? Yeah. I don't know if y'all was able to see that motherfucker. We got what we need. Yes, sir. I'm life approved, right? You know the vibe. Say right down. About to get right now. Y'all didn't even see that. Pain mash right there. I'll see y'all's up here. The machine back there.
G80 some songs.
Go up, the other one come down. That shit sucks. See, my shit get scratched. Shit. Nah, this is the guard. Look. God, nigga.
You been scraping, nigga?
That shit low as a bitch.
Nigga got a G80 and the blood clot exhaust on.
I was just looking for you, nigga.
What's up, bro?
See it.
Chilling?
Yes, Sirski.
Respect, man. That man rum punch upon deck next
Ooh.
month.
Bet. You know I'm gonna be here.
I didn't even see you. How you chilling?
Oh, God.
Got that LCR here. Another one. Oh, he got front mount. Project Gamer.
I'm gonna go to Target. I shoot. I'm finna wait to see who's gonna say blessing.
Us. We're not playing. Yo. I'm trying to tell you. You can't get them aftermarket? You probably could. It's not gonna look that good though. I think I seen it. Yeah, it's not like this. Yeah.
Having the other two M4s, they always get like the more sporty.
I ain't going front, bro. I mean, see? Shit got the turbo guard in there.
I'm gonna go to Target. I shoot. I'm finna wait to see who's gonna say blessing.
Boom. Yeah, it's way louder. I heard that. Y'all see that fitment every time. How y'all feel about the payment diffuser? I hate it. I took the car to a body shop to get this done, the side skirts. And these fuck niggas hated it, but they got a new one on the way for me. So we ain't gonna trip about that.
Addiction, bro, they got. I said, bro, I go out in and out of state a lot, so it's really for cold.
That's literally.
I'm not a crash out though. I ain't gonna run from no. Maybe I might cut that out. Second day, you got an extra on the bone in there, bro. Nigga got 2-wheel drive mode, bro. Are crashing out in things. I'm like, bro. Wow.
That's like wait, okay, why? Yeah, nigga, we gotta
Okay, yo. I'm trying to live in my youth, yo. There you go.
No bad. That's 82 in there. Motherfucker.
Well, usual kits you get for the diff ball for the X3, they only do the diff ball. But this kit I'm getting, bro, is all the bushings, everything here. So that's just gonna be sick. It's gonna have like a little, MDHs.
Like a little vibration.
Yeah, it's gonna have a little vibration, but it's not gonna have too much, bro. That's fake, like.
Sir. Peace.
My cup is very polluted, matching lines, you niggas stupid. She asked me if I whacked a friend, I did, I'm really clueless. My lil' bro just like Frozone in them cars, he super suited. That 10 milli give out ball face, for real, you think it's lupus. You niggas be broke as a bitch, they pockets flat on Flat Stanley. I done ran racks with my sisters like the adventures of Billy and Mandy. This little bitch wet as shit, I get inside like Hurricane Sandy. Clientele. He back in Grammys. I told this bitch I'm a Capricorn, she asked my zodiac. She say she a Sagittarius and boy the Taurus ain't heard of that. You know me, I'm coming trim. I'm ballin' above the rim. My cousin had told me to scrim. Went OT swapping the sim. Okay, my dog he selling the script. Dr. Umar not even doctor. He chase, he fall, he trip. I'm with KB and Lil Tyler. Crack scissors and give it a kiss. My bitch say I got problems. He said I was making a leak.
That's sport. Bomba.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
I'm like, see, I can really see what's going on in the car. Dirty as hell. I'm gonna see things. Other parts of the hood. Gratitude.
You're right, everybody with color match and shit. I'm happy you did it, bro.
I don't like it.
You don't like the color match?
I don't like it. Well, I color match. I like the, feel me? I just don't like the diffuser.
Oh, no, the diffuser never color match.
Yeah.
So carbon one on it.
Yeah, I'm about to throw the carbon one back on today.
All right, it looks good color match.
Everything else though is valid.
That's Tanzanite, right?
Yeah, both.
Actually, yo, that and salt don't go together, bro.
Yeah, that frozen
paint
shit.
and salt.
I don't know. I know it's worse than this.
That's the thing about glass. It still look alright, a little dusty. That shit, it just looks crazy.
That shit look filthy too though. I ain't gonna feel it. From the light right here. Yeah, we're together. At M Life. About to rewire this whole shit to set up properly.
Get
Right here.
We're in the fucking M Lifeline.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah. You see? You don't see nothing else.
Nothing else. but
Nothing
M,
else.
baby.
Except for that little Benz right there. But other than that, bare M
G80.
activity. G80. They call this F93. Alright, y'all. While we wait for the M4 to be done, we about to go for a look. Beast. That shit FBO, everything you would want except for upgraded turbo. Rise.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Monster, aka Amir from M Life.
Yeah.
Taking the drive in my 800 horsepower G80.
Yes, sir.
To the wheels. It's a little cold out though, so we see the vibe.
Yeah, seat belts on, all of that shit. We gotta make sure we safe. Boom. have extended if I had orange. My thing was, I thought a lot of people was gonna have the orange interior over the white, and it's opposite.
Nah,
it's a lot more white.
I knew niggas were gonna abuse the red.
The red, yeah. That's why I ain't want the red at all.
That's always like my first G80 was that color, Brooklyn gray on red. That shit was cracked though. I liked it. I loved it.
That's a fire spec, but yeah, people abuse that shit.
The red shit, yeah. Everybody want red cuts.
But this shit is this shit is bad tough. I'm saying chilling in there.
It's orange, right?
Yeah.
It's orange, yeah. Cayenne, it's called Cayenne.
Kalami or some shit like that, yeah. This shit is blue.
It definitely was a little loud compared to what I'm used to, but like the gray made it like this is a Halloween theme for me. With the gray and the orange, it's like yo, it's smooth.
And that's the magnetic paddle shifters right there.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
That shit is fire.
Like I'm saying, the wheel to complete the whole thing. You get the shifters, it's gonna complete everything.
That's a fact.
A customer I was tuning gave me these shits. Yeah, he had ordered 2 sets by mistake. So like, alright. He was like, yo, you can just have it. After I dynoed this shit, he was like, bro, you can have this shit.
That's tough. It's the perks. God. Yeah, it's a... This shit fucking moves, boy. Yeah, look at this nigga, bro. Assad trying to get out the way. This shit is a monster. That trans to him, you could feel it shift way quicker.
That was 120 already then.
Yeah, bro. I'm looking over there. This shit is wicked, boy. Shit is a problem, y'all. What the fuck? That shit gonna feel like I might tune it tomorrow. Yeah, boy. So Monster do for you. If you got a G80, any G chassis, you tune F chassis, you tune everything.
F chassis, G chassis, E chassis, I still got the link for.
Okay.
But mainly F and G.
Yeah, oh yeah. Come to I'm like, bro. You know we're going. Jeez. There we go.
This thing's got 3 speeds. Here, there, and gone. It's got the power of infinity and beyond.
That's that anti-lag shit, right? His 2 maps. See how the
dash. Map 1 and map 2. Map 1 is like flex fuel, I can run any gas. Map 2 is like a full race map.
Okay. This shit is a fucking problem. Oh my god.
Man, yo, this is like a
different car.
That's crazy as shit.
behave with them.
What the fuck? I need a control like that too,
You about to wake up the old monster, bro. After my accident, I tell you, I be chilling.
Be chilling, bro.
Relax.
It's for Vera right here. Vera said every time I'm on the highway with him, he see other M's, other G's and shit like that. He never see them though.
What the fuck? A fucking G80 on the other side? How come it's on happen when I'm on that side, my nigga? What the fuck? Where was you at when I needed you? Yo, it's cause of P Money, bro. He not here, bro. If he, bro, I would've called him if I was with P Money. Damn, my nigga. Fuck.
I don't even be wanting to like wild out.
Vera, you don't be lying, bro. You said this shit, right? Shit not even worth the trouble.
Cut master. You already got the signal.
Tell me it's a whole different car with the tools, boy. That's crazy. Yeah, on the right there. Right in front of that Subaru that just changed lanes. About to see him. He right behind this Mazda. Or right in front of it. This shit is a problem, boy. Whew. That nigga like, damn, I got some work to do. Yeah, he about to follow me, man. I'm like, that nigga's about to make me tap. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, bro. It's
really bad at time, bro. Cruising going pretty fast.
Feel the acceleration on the throttle. I know you're not even touching it for real,
bro.
I know, bro.
I'm fake scared because I know it's cold as fuck out.
Yeah, that's what I was saying too.
I'm looking at the tires. That's why I keep the tires and shit. Once they get around 70, 80, it's okay. Grippy enough. But like if I do a second gear anti-lag, watch this shit. Shit's gonna fucking spin like
That's true.
That's an oil wheel. That's an oil wheel.
I want to get a little space.
Nah, we're to everything that's faster than my car's ever felt, bro. So you know this tune, when people say this stock car.
The transmission tune and then the fucking ECU tune, that's all you need, bro.
Bro, this shit is a fucking problem. Oh my god.
Yeah, the anti-lag sound crazy. It didn't even sound like it shifted. That shit,
that shit was just going, bro. That shit was faster than like my eyes, bro. You know how they say like You
Yo,
moving
when
too
you go
quick.
that fast, you be feeling like tunnel vision sometimes.
Yeah, that's what happened when I first got my car. I did one little pull.
When I be in the car and Rick be wildin', bro, I be pressing the brake in the fucking passenger.
In the passenger. Nah, I know his shit is a fucking different ball game.
I drove.
Yo, bro, this shit is a problem, bro. This shit is scary. Yes, sir. That shit look good.
You're in M mode? No. Go in M mode. I heard it. No, they closed, bro. You open? They closed. Yeah.
That's metal up there to use a wireless fuse checker. He's checking my fuse right now to see if everything is valid. That shit is insane. You learn something new every day. He's touching this, and then he's checking the fuse, and the current is going all the way through. That shit is wireless. But we're gonna do a sound test in a sec. Chat, how y'all feel? I had the pre-OCI for a little bit. Niggas probably thought I was bugging out. They didn't know what was going on. This is the vision, y'all. Y'all gotta trust the process. Y'all have to trust the process, bro. And Trey did a little for me. 1, 2, I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. Y'all. Boom. I wanted to show y'all how this shit sound. It's in comfort. Ooh, we back. This shit looks crazy. I can't even touching the part I'm supposed to, but this shit, wait. You got V's playing. Let me turn the volume down so they don't copyright my shit. This shit is a fucking, oh my god. Bro. This motherfucker getting rowdy. Bro, this is damn near completes my interior. Next I just gotta get this. Alcantara. I have Starlight for the headliner, but I don't even know if I want to put it on more. I don't really want to do too much shit to turn this shit into some ricer shit. I fucked with it because my son KJ got it on his M340, but I think this is enough. I'm gonna keep it a bean with you. I'm gonna keep it a bean. I feel like this is enough. Hey, but here's my apps. YouTube. I see Netflix, Hulu. Pretty sure we can download shit. We got Waze. So this is a new CarPlay for me. Yeah. That shit is different. Nigga Right now we on the way to F97. Boy, trying to see what this motherfucker sound like. Trying to see what this motherfucker sound like. This shit sounds good, bro. I'm not gonna front, bro. When I get the downpipe installed, I ain't gonna lie, Monster too, shout out, bro, because I know fucking KJ gonna see this shit, he gonna be weak. That tune is something different, bro. I need it. I need to tune this shit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give it a little, feel me, it's not the right weather for it to be tuned right now.
A few moments later.
Yo, where you at? You on this side? Hold on. You on this side or you back there?
Nah, but back there.
Okay. I see no one. I'm pulling up.
Yeah, like on the next block. You gonna see my shit in my driveway.
Okay.
We bust out UVM on the left side, the next block.
See no more. I'm in my ear right now. Put this shit in manual mode for bro. Oh my god, nasty pothole. This nigga should be outside right now. He said he on the left side. He 30 right there. Oh my god, boy, that shit, bro. This is all-wheel drive, bro. I gotta get tires, bro. That motherfucker don't wanna sit still. I feel like V-Ray right now. I feel like V-Ray. It should have probably spin if I was to gas it. He said, yeah. Yeah. I'm not trying to show y'all. Pull up this. You know
this, John.
Yeah, you know the vibes.
What's up, guys? Me and my boy Paulie G's outside. My son Robin back outside. Yo, how you got this case on this? What is this?
That's not a case. That's how it comes. I think it's some waterproof shit.
Where?
Beam.
It's sturdy. Your battery about it.
Yeah, I know.
Go back there. Yo, go on the Francis Lewis strip back there.
Lewis strip?
Yeah, it's nice and wide. This is bad, yo.
This shit is bad.
Yo, this shit is bad, no lie.
Hold on.
Yeah, I got you. Yo, I need a fucking G80, gang. That's that M low fucking first gear, yo.
This shit is fucking wicked, bro.
Bro, trying to give me whiplash in this joint, yeah.
I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna put this shit in two-wheel.
Nah, not right here, not right here.
Not right here?
Nah, on Francis Lewis, on that strip, bro, I want you to be safe.
You see that shit too right there?
Yeah.
I don't be letting it feel me.
Nah, yeah, I want you to be
As soon
safe.
as that shit
On the
kick
next
out.
strip, you can do whatever. Shit's wide.
As soon as that shit kick out, I let out. I don't be spinning through gears.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not that
Yeah,
confident.
don't let me get that shit, man. I get that jump, man. I'm spinning through every gear.
This bitch.
Yo, chat, this G82 is pain.
This motherfucker's in sport. I'm taking out this boy.
Chat, I'm at a low storage right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, bro.
This shit is different.
See what the fuck going on, bro.
Hell yeah, chat.
Beer M activities, nigga.
Gotta came outside, no sweater, no nothing, man. I had to see this joint, yo.
Nigga, JB home? She's not trying to do nothing, bro.
Yo! Something bad, yo! Fuck! Sturdy. Bombo cut! Yo, chat! Yo, throw this shit back in fucking all-wheel drive, man. This shit is mad, yo. Hell yeah. Yo, don't ever let me get no shit like this, gang. Nah, yeah, that was fear right there, chat. That was fear, you heard? I mean, this shit talking about some bomb. Yo, shout out Paulie, yo.
Shout out you, nigga.
M4 is fucking
Do what you had
different,
to
chat.
do, bro.
Yo, look at the fucking steering wheel on the jump. Chat, y'all don't even really know, chat. I don't even really know. Fuck, son.
Get you up out of here.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. Let me just show you the beast real quick though. You know what I'm saying? Before we dip off, man. Let me show you the S58 gang, man. I ain't gonna show you the Addy though, man. I'm saying we gonna show you the S58 gang real quick.
What the fuck?
Know what the fuck going on, man? Big paint match gang, big S58 gang, good spec. Boom! What the?
I'm gonna go to Target. Achoo! Shoo! I'm finna wait to see who's gonna say blessings.
Fuck chat, what the hell? What the good fucking, come on y'all. Chat, we really outside shitting, nigga. You see the date. You see the date, gang. The 22nd, gang. Give us by the end of the year shit about, yo.
Yeah.
Safety.
Yo, Saint, say what's good to the gods, nigga.
Yo.
Yeah. I'm about to be on my way to Garden City right now. I don't got no vibe, so if this and my GoPro by the guys don't got a charger.
We got the M5 here.
Whoa, I was about to ask you about that too, nigga. Yeah. What's the word, nigga?
Trust me, bro. I got something loaded, bro.
Yes, sir, nigga.
Loaded, bro.
Yes, sir, nigga. We outside. M5 back. M5 back.
G80.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Got something loaded.
Okay. Y'all heard it here first. That nigga said, yeah. If y'all ain't catch it, y'all ain't catch it. But this is most likely gonna be the end of this vid. Boy, I got shit to do.
Red M5 Dizzy.
Ooh, y'all see that motherfucker? Amola Red. Y'all, what y'all know about Amola Red F90? I mean, no, Amola Red E46. Maybe E90 F90. What the fuck?
Crazy, boy.
But yeah, if you like the vid, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all a part 2 with going back getting colors coded with Trey. I told him I was gonna do that tomorrow. I might make that a whole new vid. We got a lot of shit in store. As you see, we got F90s outside, bro. Not 1 but 2. All of that good shit. So like, comment, subscribe, leave all types of everything, bro. Y'all already know what the fuck to do. See y'all in the next vid.